From illegal structures to mega projects, residents of Varka are making their voices heard. At the latest Gram Sabha, discussions ranged from the High Court's demolition order to concerns over large-scale developments and environmental issues. But with no final decision, another round of discussions is on the way. Here's the full story. In a heated Gram Sabha meeting, the people of Varka came together to address pressing issues affecting their village. The biggest topic, the recent High Court order mandating the demolition of illegal structures. With concerns rising over its impact, the residents have decided to hold another Gram Sabha to discuss the matter further, along with the fate of mega projects that could reshape their village.
High Court order to demolish all illegal structures, identify and demolish 8 categories दिल्या. So आमका गांवां लागता ते आमकां कुछ पडटलें. It is a High Court order. So हेजेर आमी एक स्पेशल ग्राम सभा घेतल्या to discuss how to go about doing this work. And दुसरें म्हणल्यार multi-dwelling units, mega projects. So projects are लागून स्वतांच लोकांचो हुस्को आनी आमचोय बी हुस्को कित्याक डेव्हलपमेंट खूब जाता. So whether the village of Varka has the carrying capacity आनी कितली आहा ती. So हें डिसायड करपाक आमी एक कन्सल्टंटाक हायर करपाचें डिसिजन घेतलें आहा आनी तेतूंत जेन्ना आमी स्पेशल ग्राम सभा घेतले हे 2 मुद्दे घेवपाक आनी हो कन्सल्टंट जो कोण आहा ताका बी तेणें लोकां एड्रेस करून हें कितकोन जातलें तेजेर म्हायती दिवपाचें हें डिसिजन आमी घेतलां.
But it wasn't just about construction. Residents also raised concerns about the state of the village creek. They urged the panchayat to take urgent steps to maintain its cleanliness and prevent pollution from worsening.
They already inspection kela with the MLA, panchayat body and WRD. Them already inspection kela tinga. आणि आता water pollute कितको जाता ते testing and धाडपाचे है. Already एकल्यान testing केलो हा तेंटो आमक report होइतिल्ला. So testing. आता आमी before the monsoon आमी something कोतो inspection केला बरे. It starts from Benavli. So Benavli तो main हा. So things all the A side flow जाता. So आम पहिले Benavli inspect कोण इशे कर. ही पहिली ग्राम सभा जायना हांव सरपंच जाल्या आणि ग्राम सभा बोर्ड भाशे जाल्या आणि आम रेजोल्यूशन गेले म्हणटे हायवे लागून. सो हायवे ऑपोज करपाक. सो ही हायवे येवपा हा म्हूण आमकां येयला. सो आनी इल्लीगल स्ट्रक्चर्स. सो कितें हाय न्हू रोड सायड इल्लीगल स्ट्रक्चर्स कितें हाय चेक लागून आमी स्पेशल ग्रामसभा दवरल्या कित्याक लोक थोडो आहलो ग्रामसभा तितलोय नाहलो. सो सगळ्यांले डिसिजन लोकांले डिसिजन घेयला बरें जातलें तेका लागून आमी स्पेशल ग्रामसभा दवरल्या लोकां कडेन डिस्कस करपाक ते कितें केलें बरें लायक आमी तो ऑलरेडी रेजोल्यूशन घेतली ओपोज करपाक. एंड सेकंड इश्यू वॉज रिवरसालाचे जेटी ओपोज करपाक. सो आमी ती खबर ना खूंय येतली कितें कांय खबर ना बट ओन्ली थिंग
The issue of garbage was also discussed during the meeting. Here's what the Sarpanch had to say on this.
Main issue मुट्टो garbageaचो सगळ्यांनी almost जाय जाणांनी गायला garbage issue. So I'm already tendering केला wet and dry day to day. सारखं every day आम्ही door to door वचून collection करतली wet and dry plus road side hotspot ही hotspot हायत ते आणि अख्खी cleaning कोण करतले daily basic. Already tendering भी केला.
The Gram Sabha has promised another round of discussions, but will the authorities take action? Will illegal structures be removed? And what's the future of mega projects in Varka? For now, the village waits for answers. Ramesh Naik Raut, Subhashish Kovakar and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.